if tan x is equal to 15 divided by 8 and x is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, find the value of 1 divided by cos x. We have been given tan x as 15 divided by 8, and we have also been told that x is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. That is, x is in the first quadrant. So what it means is that tan x, cos x, and sin x are all positive. And we are going to use this information to find the value of 1 divided by cos x. We have tan x as 15 divided by 8. So what that means is that if we have a right angle triangle like the one we have here, we have the triangle ABC, and the angle at B is 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. If we have a right angle triangle like this, and we choose this angle here as x, the question tells us that tan x is equal to 15 divided by 8. We know that tan is opposite divided by adjacent. So what it means is that in this right angle triangle, 15 will be opposite to x and 8 will be adjacent to x. So our tan x is equal to the opposite side, which is 15, divided by the adjacent side, which is 8. Remember, we are finding 1 divided by cos x. So we first have to find cos x. Cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. But we don't know the length of the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle, so we have to find it. We are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. From the Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. We have AB and BC, so we will substitute it in here to get AC. This will give us AC squared is equal to 8 squared plus 15 squared. And so AC will be equal to square root of 8 squared plus 15 squared, which will give us 17. So what it means is that in this right angle triangle, AC is 17. We now have the hypotenuse, so we can find cos x. Remember, cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos x will be equal to adjacent, which is 8, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 17. We are not looking for cos x, rather we are looking for 1 divided by cos x. The question asked us to find 1 divided by cos x. We have cos x here, so we can easily find 1 divided by cos x. 1 divided by cos x will be equal to 1 divided by cos x, which is 8 divided by 17. And this will give us 17 divided by 8. So this means that if tan x is equal to 15 divided by 8 and x is between 0 and 90 degrees, 1 divided by cos x will be 17 divided by 8.